Well, there you have it. Rider number 2 for the Liquid Molly Beta full factory squad, at least as far as I understand it, full factory squad, is Colt 45, Colt Nichols, which obviously in the last couple years, he's gone from 250 to fill-in rider for Honda for 450. If you look at his Instagram right now, I think the last bike he rode was a Kawasaki. So I have no idea what he's been doing. But it's kind of cool. You now have Benny Bloss and Colt Nichols on a, I wouldn't say new, because Beta isn't exactly like the newest squad, but for American Supercross or maybe motocross, if they end up doing that too, it's a new team. Obviously, with them coming in, Triumph and the Ducati rumor, it's going to be a cool thing, or especially for this sport, for all the extra money coming in. 3 new teams, 3 new factory squads. That means, 6, 7, maybe rides, 450 rides at least, with full factory backing, the money included. A lot of guys like Colt Nichols or Justin Cooper, people who are coming out of the 250s that are good but don't have they kind of fall into that weird spot where everyone's got a contract. Well, here's 6 more rides where they might get a chance to show what they can do. But in the comments below, you do tell me, how well do you think Beta is going to do in general between both of them? How well do you think Colt Nichols is going to do? Comment it down below. As you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.